welcome back. Today I am going to share with you what I want for Christmas, Sephora edition. So I have a few items that I have written down that I actually have in my cart, which I just haven't hit, you know, the buy checkout yet. It's expensive. I'm not buying all of it, but they are on my wish list. I will probably get a couple of these things and then pass the rest of my list on to my husband for Christmas and see what we come up with or what he comes up with. Should be interesting. But these are a few of the things that I do have on my wish list from Sephora. Some of them are older, some of them are new, some of them are limited edition. But yeah, let's get started. The first one that I have here, and this is something I have picked up before and I really enjoyed this particular set, and it's the Sephora Favorites Give Me Some Nude Lip. It is on for $23.80 right now. It's usually 30 something. But it is something that I do want to get. It's one that I don't have any of the shades that are in it yet. So yeah, I really do like those sets. I don't mind getting minis, and all the items in here I have tried the formulas of before and I do enjoy them. So that is definitely something I want to pick up. Hopefully I can get my hands on it before it is out of stock. The next item would be by Huda Beauty, and it is the Obsessions palette in the Precious Stones Emerald. And it is this green one, and it has just different shades of green, and it speaks to me. It's one of those palettes that I'm just like, oh, I really want that. Will I wear it a lot? I don't know, but maybe I can make a habit of wearing green eyeshadow at least once a week and we will make it worth it. I'm not sure. I really like the blue palette as well, but if I had to choose one, it would definitely be this emerald palette, and it is $35. And I think that's kind of a nice thing too, to be able to try some of these other brands where I don't want to spend $60 to $80 on one of their palettes. I'd rather spend the $35 and get a smaller palette. I'd be just as happy with it. Now, this is something that I am definitely picking up, whether I get it before Christmas on my own or, you know, make sure my husband is well aware that this is coming. I am getting this for Christmas if I don't pick it up on my own. Chances are I will do it on my own because I don't trust my husband to follow through with getting this particular item, but it would be the Kevyn Aucoin Contour Book Volume 3. I have never tried any of Kevyn Aucoin's products, but it is something that I have always been intrigued by. And this particular book, just with the blush and the contour shades and everything that's in it, just is something that I feel I can utilize and utilize well using the whole thing. So that is why that is something that is like top of the line what I really want to get. Kevyn Aucoin palette is $77, and keeping in mind these are all Canadian prices here. The next item on my list would be the Natasha Denona Mini Star eyeshadow palette. I have no desire to spend $150, $120 on one of her palettes at all. I find a lot of the times from reviews the quality of it seems to be hit and miss, but this particular palette, I mean, it has that pop of greeny blue teal or whatever it is, so it's gonna get me. It always does. It's $30 for this palette, and I think that for me, I'd be much more interested in trying out this. If it's a dud, I know I can always return it, even the larger palettes, but I don't know, I just feel more comfortable with the $30 price, even though I know it's pretty tiny. Next on my list is something that's been out for a while. I haven't picked it up, but it is still something that I would really like to get, and it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. This is $55, and yeah, it's just something that I haven't picked up yet because I know it's not limited edition, but it is something that I would like to add to my collection. Another item I have on here would be the Milk Makeup Meet the Fam Milk Bestsellers set. I haven't tried anything by Milk Makeup. I'm really interested in a lot of the items that are in here. The mascara, the Kush mascara, the mini cooling water under eye depuffer stick, the watermelon brightening serum, the blur stick matte primer, the other items, a holographic highlighter stick, the highlighter inlet, and the lip and cheek and work. Not super interested in it, but the other items in it more than make up for the price of it, and they kind of all come together instead of buying all the minis, so it's more worth my while and worth my investment and money to buy this set than the minis separately. So that is why I have that one. The next item that I would love to get my hands on this Christmas would be the Urban Decay Elements palette. To be honest, it wasn't one that I was super interested in to begin with. I think that white one, that white shadow or highlighter, whatever it is in the middle, really threw me off. I kind of just saw that and like, nope, not at all. But then Kaylee Baute was doing a review on it, and I saw it in a new way, I suppose, and now I would really like to get it. So Thanks, Gailey. And the last item that I would love to get my hands on has just kind of been sneak peeked, and I have no idea when it's coming out. If it's going to be any time before Christmas, I'm assuming it would, because it would kind of be in their best interest to put it out. Why does it say sold out? Huh? Huh. Okay, so apparently it's already sold out from pre-sales. So, the item that I would really like to get my hands on, which apparently is not coming anywhere except their website, would be by Tarte, and it is the Pro Remix palette. Yeah. I don't know if I can get it. I don't know if it will come to Sephora. I don't know if it'll come to Canada, because sometimes Tarte likes to do that and just keep things at Ulta or just their website and then make me spend a lot more money in shipping and blah, blah, blah. You don't need to hear that, but that is one that I really want to get. Like, I saw that and I was like, yes, if I couldn't get anything else this Christmas, this is what I want to get. And now I don't think I can. Well, maybe. I have to sign up to get an email to find out when it comes back in stock. And it says it is going to come back into stock. So that's a good thing. Hopefully it'll be something that isn't limited edition. Maybe they can add it to their Pro line that they already have out. I do have the original Tarteist Pro palette, and I really do enjoy it. And this, I think, would be an excellent addition to it. Although it looks a lot more shimmery, but I don't mind that. And that's what I really want for Christmas from Sephora. I haven't really looked too much into Ulta, just because with shipping and Canada Post being on strike right now and whatever, I don't need to order a bunch of stuff from the States and just be sitting here waiting for Canada Post to release my precious items from their cold, uncaring hands. So I haven't even looked at ColourPop or Ulta. I know Makeup Geek had a few things that were coming out that I was kind of interested in. I haven't even checked any of those things out. So I'm hoping a lot of the stuff that is coming out that I would like to get my hands on that I don't know about yet is going to be available, you know, once Canada Post gets things straightened out and, you know, starts sending me my mail. That'd be good. Those are a bunch of items that I would really like to get for Christmas or before Christmas, or to add to my collection there. Things that are really intriguing and interesting to me. And yeah, so it's that time of year. I don't usually splurge, except for now. I don't know why. I have all kinds of other people to buy for, but I'm always like, oh, it's Christmas time. Let's buy more for me. Let me know in the comments below some of the items that you have on a wish list or are looking forward to getting, or that you have gotten that you are really excited to have and that you're enjoying. Let me know also if you have any of these items and they are a complete dud and you do not recommend them. Stay away from them. Don't waste your money. I would love to know. Again, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.